Hi, in this video we are going to implement wrap layout in a Flutterflow. So basically wrap layout it is similar to row layout and column layout. But advantage of wrap layout is when screen size is less or inside the wrap layout child widget is overflow, then it will automatically adjust in a next line. So now we can see how it would be happen. Now currently I have one page and create a wrap layout, and inside wrap layout I create a text field, not text field, and it was price 450 10. Now I create a duplicate, again create a duplicate, I run this application. Now application is started. Now we can see that we can already add the 5 text field and its width is 400 pixel 400. Now here what happened, it 403 text field width it is adjust in first line and 2 text field is adjust in next line. Here advantage is that it is automatically adjust when it is not fit enough or fit in a first line. So benefit of the wrap layout is that when we make our page in a responsive, then we have to use wrap layout. Advantage of row layout is that if we are going with the row layout, then it is overflow but not adjust in next line. So this is a benefit of wrap layout.